Alright guys, we are out here at the track. It is like 8 o'clock and it's pitch black out. We have the GoPro mounted up. We got a GoPro headlight on the helmet, and we're going to be trying these little lights here. Hard to see. I literally can't see anything. See if I can turn the headlight up. Oh man. Yeah, let's not do that. Visibility is like 0. Oh, my headlight keeps going out. Alright. If this is more of a boring video, I thought I'd be able to see better than this, to be honest. But yeah, no, it is what it is, right? thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Woo! Froze my butt off for that. And yeah, if you want to see other super cool videos like that, subscribe, like, share, and like always, have yourselves an amazing rest of your day or night. Peace.